I have told you about the Google Tag Manager. So I have told you how you can get Google Tag Manager platform. We have all created a Google Tag Manager platform, and I have told you that inside Google Tag Manager platform you can create unlimited accounts, and inside accounts you can create unlimited containers. So my Google Tag Manager, if I will go to my Google Tag Manager, you will going to see this is the Google Tag Manager. You simply have to search in Google Tag Manager to again go to your Google Tag Manager platform. Here is the link which says where okay tagmanager.google.com. Just click here. Then friends, it will going to take you to the panel of Google Tag Manager. Now you can see here it is showing all accounts. Okay, so whatever accounts we have inside Google Tag Manager, all will going to show up here. Now inside account, I have one account of Bing Commerce. So in Google Tag Manager platform, I have one account that is of Bing Commerce. Very simple. Now, for example, if I want to create one more container inside this account. So right now, as I have told you that my this academy website, my this academy.bingcommerce.in website, I've created one container for this website. You can see friends, this is my website that is academy.bingcommerce.in. Okay, so this is my one website, and you here you can see inside this Bing Commerce account I have this container name academy.bingcommerce.in. Okay, so now for example, if I want to create one more container, so one container is created of academy website. Now for example, you want to create one more container of my main website. Okay, so I will now teach you how you can create more containers inside one account. So this is my Bing Commerce account, and this is the academy.bingcommerce.in container. I will simply click here, and now friends, here also you can see that we have this account, one account, and inside this account we have this academy.bingcommerce.in. So for example, this is my website, main website. I also want to create one separate container for this website. So again, it's very easy. What you need to do, you need to simply go to admin here, and from here you will see this plus button of container. That means inside Bing Commerce account, right now I have this container of academy.bingcommerce.in. I want to add more containers, so I will simply click here. Simply, if you want to create more accounts of different business, then you can create it from here. So for example, from Bing Commerce I want to create one container, so I will simply click on plus button, and right now you can see this is my website. I will simply copy the URL, and I will going to paste the URL over here. I will just remove this HTTPS and dash from here. Then from here you simply have to select web, and you have to simply click on create. Now friends, similarly it will again going to give you some codes. You simply have to copy this code, and you can also paste it these codes in your website. So I will going to log in to this website again. So I will simply go for bingcommerce.in, then I will put hash, then I will put wp admin. Okay, so friends, this is my website. So right now we will not going to do it with the help of code. I have also teach you with the help of plugin also you can do this. So just click on OK. Now friends, you will going to see new container of bingcommerce.in, and here is the GTM code. You can see when I will click here, here it is showing me that inside Bing Commerce account we have two containers, that is academy.bingcommerce.in and another is this container. Okay, so right now I am in this bingcommerce.in container, and this is the container name. I simply have to copy this. I will right click and I will copy this code of GTM of this bingcommerce.in container. I will just go to my website. I will go to plugins, click on add new. Again, just search here Google Tag Manager. Just install this plugin and then click on activate. So friends, this plugin is activated. So what I will going to do, I will just go to install plugins, and I will search for here that Google Tag Manager plugin. Where is that plugin? Okay, here is the plugin, Google Tag Manager for WordPress. I will simply click on settings, and friends, here I need to paste this tag manager ID of this container Bing Commerce. So I simply have to copy this. I will go here and I will simply paste this, and then I will simply click on save changes. So friends, now you can see that my this bingcommerce.in container is now connected with my bingcommerce.in website. So this is the thing I want to teach you in this lesson, where we have taught you that inside your platform you can create different accounts. Inside accounts you can create unlimited containers you want. Okay, so you can create more. For example, if you have applications, then for application you can create more container. For example, you have some other website of shop, you can create one separate container for that, and you can create unlimited containers inside one account. So it is super simple to use this stuff. Now you can see, when I will just go to Google Tag Manager, if I will click here, now for example inside this Bing Commerce account, if for example I want to go to academy.bingcommerce.in, I will simply click on open. Now my academy.bingcommerce.in container will going to open. You can see right now I am academy.bingcommerce.in container. If you again want to go to some other container, for example I again want to go to this bingcommerce.in container, I will simply click on this container. So you will see that right now I'm in bingcommerce.in container. So it's super simple to use Google Tag Manager. Now we have taught you how you can create different containers. So right now you can see inside Bing Commerce, I'm in my second container of bingcommerce.in. For example, I want to connect this bingcommerce.in with my Google Analytics. So right now, if I will, if I will going to explain you with the help of these diagrams again. So right now I want to connect my Google Analytics, okay, with Google Tag Manager, and I want to share some data with Google Tag Manager, and we also want to set up one special trigger or instruction for this Google Analytics. So here I've changed the logo. So now it's very simple. We will have Google Analytics tag. We will connect it with Google Tag Manager. If we want some triggers or instruction, we can provide them or provide that to Google Tag Manager, and then Google Tag Manager will start going to send those data to third party. Third party is Google Analytics. How you can do that? So first of all, you can see right now I'm in my Google Analytics. So if you guys don't know how to set up Google Analytics, how to see these reports, how to create custom reports, and how to play with Google Analytics, then I've made one separate course for Google Analytics. At very down of the course, you will see one bonus lesson. There I provided a link of how you can operate Google Analytics. You can take that course and learn everything about Google Analytics. It is very much important for you in business to understand the data so that you can see the data and analyze what is happening in your website, and according to that you can take appropriate action which make your business profitable. Okay, so now we have Google Analytics, and here you can see right now I'm in Bing Commerce, and I have this Bing Commerce, my main website. Okay, so this is my main website. So now I want to connect this thing with Google Tag Manager. So I will simply click on this admin button here. You can see admin. Just click on admin, and friends, here you will see in Bing Commerce, here you will see one tracking information. Just click here, and here you will see one tracking code. Just click here, and friends, you can see that this is super simple. You just have to copy this tracking ID. It is your pixel of Google Analytics. Very simple. Just copy this. Just go to your Google Tag Manager. Just again click on tags. Now just create new tag, because you know we are now in different containers. So whatever tags which we have created, that was for academy.bingcommerce.in container. So right now we want to connect our Google Analytics tag with our Google Tag Manager. So I have just gone here and I have just copied this tracking ID. Just copy this and just go to your Google Tag Manager, click on new, and just name it Google Analytics web, okay, like this. And after that just click on tag configuration, and from here you can choose different options. You can see, you can just search here Google Analytics. So here you will see Google Analytics Universal Analytics. Okay, so it will total give you the control over your total Google Analytics of this property Bing Commerce. So I will just select this first one. So now it has done. Now I want it to be page view, of course, and the Google Analytics settings. So I want to click on new variable, and friends, here you will see this tracking ID. You have to paste this code over here which you have just copied from your Google Analytics, and after you will do this, just click on save, or also you can just name it, for example, Google Analytics tag for web. Okay, like this, click on save. So now friends, we have successfully connected our Google tag with our Google Analytics. It was super simple. So this was Google Analytics tag. We have connected it with Google Tag Manager. Now we can also give them some instructions or triggers. So just click on this trigger, click here, and now we want it to select to all pages by default. And after you will do this, just click on save and then click on submit. You can just name it Bing, or you can say at Google Analytics web, and you can just explain it everything here if you want to. Okay, then I will simply click on publish. So friends, this is how you have created your tag. So now what is versions, we will going to cover that in coming next video. But right now just again go to workspace and just click on tags. Now you will see that we have added our Google Analytics, and it's super simple. So now this was the tag under container of bingcommerce.in. So for example, I want to go to academy.bingcommerce.in. So there I will see the tags which we have installed in previous video, that is of Facebook Pixel and Pura Pixel. So for example, if you also want to connect it with Google Analytics, you can just do it, click on new, and here you have to also create one new property for your this website academy.bingcommerce.in, but this is the part of Google Analytics which we will not going to cover in this lesson. Okay, so basic thing, you are just understanding how things work, and with Google Tag Manager you can just simplify your different business, your different containers, and you can just focus individually or separately on that particular container. So it's super simple to control everything with the help of Google products, whether it's a Google Search Console, whether it's a Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics. Okay, so this was the video friends about how you can connect your Google Analytics with your Google Tag Manager.